Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Protect Talks. If you are new to this channel, I will request you to please go and like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. With that said, let's start today's video. So today's video is about how to make your PC little bit faster. So for that you need to press Windows and R from your keyboard and you have to type in %temp %. Click OK. As you can see that there are a lot of junk files here. So if you want to see how much data it was occupying, so you can always go to the properties and check. So as you can see that the size of this data is around 2 GB. It could be more than that. So let's just go ahead and delete it. So just from your keyboard, select Control A and just delete it. So once you have deleted it, you will see little bit increase in the speed of the PC. It will not make your computer super fast, but yes, you can see a difference. Hope you like the content. If so, please go ahead and click like and subscribe, and please do share with your friends. Thank you so much.